This is ulna, and the upper part is epiphysis proximalis. This whole epiphysis proximalis. The lower part is also known as epiphysis distalis. That is, this part is epiphysis distalis. Let's start with olecranon. Olecranon is this. This. This is known as ulnar processes, and how to identify an ulna, that is U comes from here, so this is for ulna. This is process is ulnar, or it's known as olecranon. As you know, there's a in humor, if you know, there is a sulcus nervi ulnaris. The process is and this is process is ulnar. So or olecranon, the both names are same, olecranon or ulnar process, which goes and connects to sulci nervi ulnaris in humerus. And now there are two incisuras. This is incisura radialis, which also goes and attaches to humor, the fossa radialis in humor. There is incisura trochlearis, which goes and connects to trochlea humeri in humor. And this is processus coronoideus, which goes and connects to fossa coronoidea. So fossa coronoidea ka attachment is processus coronoideus. Fossa radialis attachment is incisura radialis, and trochlea humeris attachment is incisura trochlearis. And this just below incisura radialis there is tuberositas ullae, just below here. How to identify if it's right or left? Wherever this is the front view, okay, where this is the front view, the U. So wherever the incisura radialis is, now in this case it's in the right side, right? This is on the right side, so it will go and attach to the body like this, whereas now it's in the left side. So this is left, that is sinister ulna, sinister ulna. Just remember, yep. And now let's go to the surfaces. Just below incisura radialis, again just below incisura radialis, you'll find a very sharp margo, that is margo interiosus. This is fascius anterior, so this will be margo anterior. Okay, margo anterior, fascius anterior, margo interosseous. This is fascius posterior, margo posterior, margo medialis. Why margo medialis? Because this is fascius posterior, this is fascius anterior, and sorry, fascius medialis. Fascius medialis, yep. So this is fascius anterior, fascius posterior. So between two fascias lies fascius medialis, and dividing both the fasciuses, that is fascius anterior and fascius posterior, is margo interosseous. This margo interosseous divides fascius anterior and fascius posterior. This is margo anterior, margo interosseous, margo posterior, and between margo posterior and margo anterior lies margo medialis. At the below you get this whole thing is caput ulnae, and this is processus styloideus, and this below part is known as epiphysis distalis.